Hi guys, we're back with another video on the channel Unboundy Infinite, and today I want to provide you some quick guide of Gloud Games. If you know already, then no problem. But for new users, I will guide you through the instruction from which you can play free games for 15 minutes per each game. So I will guide you through the tutorial. I had already made this tutorial on Nepali language, so today I want to make this tutorial on English language. So before that, I want to give you through the introduction of of this application. So what this application is application is this application few days ago was a third-party app. So now it's available on Play Store as a beta or unreleased version. First, let me show you the show you the application. First, let me show you the application. So type Cloud Games. No, not Cloud Games. Gloud Games. Gloud Games. Here it is. Here it is. So Gloud Games, I have already installed this Gloud Games onto my Android. It is the unreleased version on this Play Store. So what I want to do is open this app, and I will provide you some quick tip tutorial on this. So so for the very first time when you enter on this application, what you want to do is go to home. Okay, go to game first, and I have no chance to watch videos and get time because per day, per one day, you have to click the ads for 5 times. You cannot click more than 5 times the ads. Watch the videos and get time. So what it will say is letter and go now. So you have to press and go on now to quickly watch the ad. So it's saying it is saying that every day for one ad you will get 15 minutes time to play the game. So I have already already watched 5 times this ads. So it is not letting me to watch more ads. After doing that, after watching that ad, you can go to coupons. I have no coupons left because I have already purchased all the coupons from this store. And so what I want to do is you go to the game and go to my games, because after going to that coupon, okay, I will provide you some quick tip. So go to coupon, okay? For the very first time when you watch the ad, go to coupon, and here it will say that 15 minutes, like this 15-minute time pack currently available in this. I have already used that, so it is not showing in this section. So you click on that like this, and not in this. So it will make sure you click in the 15-minute trial pack to play the game for free for 15 minutes. So here is all list of games which you can play 15 minutes. Okay, so click on one of those, and you have owned that game for 15 minutes. You have owned that game for 15 minutes, and what you need to do is go to game and go to my games, and here are all list of games which you have purchased, which you have rent for 15 minutes. Okay, so I'm gonna try one of those. Okay, which I want to make is for the quick demonstration. I want to introduce you which game. Okay, Just Cause 2. I have already played this game. I had already played this game, so I want to show another game. to check if that trial period is expired or not. So yeah, I think it is also expired. So I want to test another game, Portal 2. I guess no. So Far Cry 2 has the time. So click on start the game. Here it says in the buy section, trial time left 36 minutes. You can play for 36 minutes with free of cost. So start the game. And sometime you may get quickly the start time, but sometime you may have to wait for some minutes to get in the queue. Sometimes you have to stay in the queue, whereas sometimes you don't have to stay in the queue. It will quickly prompt. It will. So after doing that, it will say press any key to continue. So just press in that section. So here all the game has started. So as you can see, the game has started. Ubisoft. Okay. So when you click in one of the in some part of the screen, then this kind of controller setup appears. So Far Cry 2, it's the Chinese application, so it is showing in Chinese language. So what you can do, and one more thing, you should have at least 10 Mbps of internet in order to enjoy the game for smooth performance maybe, or better internet to enjoy. So while recording it's lagging. So you have to understand the controller first, and before that this game is started. Okay, A stand for A. When you press A, then it selects the game, or you can press start for starting the game. So at this moment I want to quit this game because I have to show you more tutorial. Sometimes you might this application might prompt you a message saying you have a very slow internet connection or something else. If you have really fast internet speed, then you should not worry about it, because what you can do is go to home. Well, wait a minute, I have to find that. Okay, in the settings section. In the settings section, you can get select server. So in the top position, here is Chongqing mobile. So in the very first section, you can add that server and select that server, and you can play games very quickly. Okay, so 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 that's our portal tutorial. If you like it, like my video, so subscribe my channel and keep connected with me.